Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and those who are new to my channel, hi, I'm Srijita, also known as Jinia. Welcome to my channel, Jin on the Go. As you can see, today is again a sit down video, but not about makeup, it's about jewelry, and it's very special because it's my first collaboration. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. So I got a bunch of earrings from this Instagram store called Sense of Self. And when initially they approached me, I was skeptical about the products, but let me give you a honest review. I got 3 Indian jewelries and 2 Western jewelries. I will start with the Indian. First is this jhumka. This is the jhumka. So this is the jhumka. This is a plain oval shaped jhumka without any color or stone in it. But I think those who can do resin work can actually do something over here. I am planning of doing some resin work in this portion. We'll see, but as a plain jhumka also it looks very nice. You can see it looks good with this kurti, and the quality is actually very nice. Second one is this one. So this is the second one. This is a ring which is again covered with some pearl and then some silver balls, and it looks very nice. The quality is also very good. It's not very heavy also, because those who do not like chunky jewelries won't feel that much heavy on your ears. So this looks so pretty with this beautiful green kurti. It's looking very nice. Now the next one is one of my favorite, because I have not seen something like this. At least I do a lot of street shopping, Instagram shopping, or shopping from local jewelry shop, jewelry as in junk jewelry or anti-tarnish or silver replica jewelries. But this kind of design is very new to me. Not the color, this color is common like a peacock color, but this kind of design is very new to me. Let me wear it and show it to you. See, this looks so unique. The design is also very unique, and with this kurti this looks beautiful. I wore this today in office. Oh, I forgot to tell you that I am going to link down their Instagram page in the description box. You can check them out. Also, I have a coupon code which I have mentioned on the screen, so you can use it while checking out and you will get a 15% discount. Now coming to the 2 Western pieces. Wait, let me just change this outfit so that you can see how it looks with the Western dress. Okay, I have changed into a pretty basic Western outfit. Let me show you the first piece. This is a beautiful safety pin design earring. I always wanted to buy something very quirky, so I think the safety pin design is very quirky, and the pearl detailing is adding to the beauty of it. See, this is how it looks like. If you wear a basic t-shirt or a basic shirt and wear this one, it's going to elevate your look. And now last but not the least, this beautiful heart-shaped earrings. The texture is in mother of pearl. Again, it's looking so quirky yet beautiful yet elegant. This basic t-shirt and this earring in the mother of pearl texture, that also in heart one, is looking so cute. I really love it. Not gonna lie, I was skeptical about the products, but when I received it, I was surprised by their quality. I really liked each and every piece, whether it's Indian or Western. The designs are also very different from what we get in the stores or in the street shops or even any other Instagram stores. So I am going to tag Sense of Self, their Instagram page, as well as their website. So you can also check the products out over there. Also, you can get a 15% discount using my coupon code, which I have mentioned on the screen and also in the description box. So if you like the video, then please do like, share and subscribe to the channel Gin on the Go. Why? Because I am putting so much effort. You know, I have come back from office. Right now it's about 10 o'clock at night, but still I am shooting this video because I really like the product, and of course I wanted to showcase this one to you guys. So please do subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, and also if you liked any of the products, do let me know in the comments. Bye.